Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Hopper, and welcome to my course, Instrument Microsoft Azure Application Insights in a Web Application. I'm a solution developer with 20 years experience helping companies solve their technology challenges. Completing a web application and releasing that for all to use is a great feeling of accomplishment, but it is only part of the story. A successful application never really is complete, but is constantly being improved, hopefully based around users' needs. And if we are honest, there will be some bugs that hopefully can be captured before our users come across them. In this course, we are going to look at how to monitor your production applications using Microsoft Azure's Application Insights. I will show you how to embed the SDK into your project and the metric calls that are available to help you monitor the specific use cases of your particular application. Along the way, I will show you some of the reports that are available in the Application Insights portal. By the end of this course, you'll know how to monitor your application with Application Insights. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with developing web applications in ASP.NET, Node.js, or Java. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to instrument Microsoft Azure Application Insights in a web application at Pluralsight.